previous in previous video we already create our first home page. Now we are moved to our navigation here to make it can be edited in our craft CMS here. So there is many ways to do this. I think first you can using the globals here and create your own navigation here using a field that you using any field you can use it. It's depending on your creativity, or maybe we can find another plugin that can help us to do this. Let's try to find some navigation plugin. So we found this navigation plugin here. Okay. So there is some plugin here like this. Okay, this mostly updated. Okay. I think let's try to this the free one first. Okay. Hopefully that is enough to help us with our navigation. Okay, let's install this plugin. Oh, alright. To install the plugin, you can just click the install button like I do before, or you can using the command line and do composer require the package name and then you do comment to install it in the composer also. Okay, that means already installed here. So let's run. So it is. Okay, menu like this. Oh, so they only allow entry, right? Okay. So can reorder this. Also it's working with parent and child, but we no need to the parent and child. Okay, so but there is no much configuration here that we can have with adding class and the others, but I think for now it is enough for our navigation. Okay, they have an error. Okay, navigation error. Okay. 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 We can use this navigation, I think. Let's find another one. Okay, let's try this one. Okay, because it is pipe. If using is still in not in the production, we can just install it without doing the payment. But after you deploy your craft into the production environment, you need to buy this plugin. But if using in our development parts, we can just do the trial. Let's try. Okay, navigation. This for set okay, maximum level. Okay, the maximum level. Okay, this is on configuration also. Okay, let's save. And now let's make entries. Homepage. Let's custom URL. Okay. Oh, there is configuration to open a new window. Okay, there is. Okay. So, okay, that is good enough for here. Also, we can put sunset. Let's put another entry. Okay, it's working. Shell. Yes, it's working well. Okay, it's already saved. But now, how to do this? Let's find. Navigate. Let's open the documentation. How to implement. Okay. So we are ready to create our navigation. And sender. Okay, title is. Okay, let's open our code. After perfect. So, let's handle the navigation. Then GF that we need to use. So this is our code class, our HTML code, sorry. Then how to import doc.m, .url, because we need to open, so in window we need this links. I think okay. Okay, since we don't have child here with that. Okay, so they already have automatic render. Let's stick with this way. So let's try. Okay, it's working. Let's open our homepage. Oh, it's wrong, right? Yes. Our homepage is no. So it's working correctly, right? Okay. Yeah, we not yet create the page for the entry one. So it is working. To open a new tab, the target blanks is working. Okay. Now we are ready. Update our navigation to be able to editable in our Craft CMS by using this plugin Navigate. Okay. Okay, thank you for watching.